Alright, I think I'm here, and the camera I think I want is that one over there. Hi boys and girls, it's me Butch. Today I'm going to attempt to show you how to make a bowline, which is one of the most useful knots in the world. Now I keep a piece of 3/4 inch nylon rope about 20 feet long in my apartment all the time because there might be an earthquake or a fire and I'm on the second floor and it might help me get out. And I have a permanent loop in the end. So I'm going to teach you how to make a knot, a loop that can't slip no matter what. So you take your rope and I'm close in here, pretty close. So here's your rope, loose end down here at the bottom. Put the other end over your shoulder there. You're going to make a number 6. See that? You're going to make a number 6. And then you're going to take the end of the rope, and the rabbit is going to come out of the hole. The rabbit is going to go up around behind this tree back up here, and back down that hole. And you're going to grab those two and go up. And now you've got a loop that can't slip. And you could use that to pass another line through, so you can make a sliding kind of slippery thing. So did we get that? The bowline? That was so simple, wasn't it? Let's go back to that one more time. So you have your rope, your loose end is down here. You decide how big you want your loop to be. You're going to make a number 6. The rabbit is going to come up out of the hole. The rabbit's coming up out of the hole. The rabbit's going to go behind that tree there, have a pee, and go back down the hole. And you're going to grab those two ends, go like that, and you're done. Now if you want to make a kind of a fireman's knot, you're going to make 2 of them. And to do that, you're going to have to make sure you give yourself lots of extra room, like at least your own height, and then a bit if you can, like lots. Give yourself lots of spare room. Now we're going to make a fireman's lift. And you can make 2 or 3 loops. I'm only going to make 2. Again, you make this number 6, and you find the end of your rope. And the rabbit comes out of the hole. The rabbit comes out of the hole. The rabbit goes behind the tree up here, and the rabbit goes back down the hole. Except this time, we're going to keep feeding the rope around until we can make this loop here. The loop we're making, remember the loop we're making? We want to make that loop small enough to get around your body, right? You want to make it small enough to get around your body, but you want another loop to put around your legs. So you're going to make another 6. I don't know if I made this long enough. That's why you have to have lots of dangle there. Make sure you got lots of rope. You can always do it twice if you do it wrong. Make a 6. The rabbit comes up out of the hole. The rabbit goes back down the hole. Let me pull them. Now I didn't really leave myself enough room. I didn't make enough rope, but you can see that if I had to, it was big enough, I can probably get both legs through there and slide her up, and I could be listed. Somebody could hoist me away, and there's very little chance that I'm going to fall out. So you just make 2 of them, and you may take a bit of a practice for that, but you got the idea. And that was really the lesson for today. I'm a real motor mouth, and I wander on and on and on. I just never shut up. If I don't shut up, this will just go on forever, this video. I hope it got the message across. I'm going to show you one more time before I quit. Okay, here we are, one more time. Undo all these. They come apart quite easily. This particular knot. Okay, one more time. You gotta decide how big you want your loop to be. You're gonna make a 6, number 6, and then you made a rabbit hole. The rabbit's coming up out of the hole. The rabbit's gonna go around behind this tree back here and back down the hole, and that's it. Hope that was useful. I tried hard. Okay, Butchie Poo's gonna shut up. Geez, I talk and talk and talk. But that's it. And make the 6. Rabbit comes out of the hole, behind the tree, back down the hole. You're done. And I'm going to sign out of here. Bye.